Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to insert a clickable checkbox in Microsoft Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel, let's get started. To add a clickable checkbox to Word, we will need a developer tab. If you don't have such a tab, then right-click on the ribbon and select the Customize the ribbon option. In the window that opens, check if the developer tab is enabled and click OK. So we have some kind of small list, and to each position of this list we need to add a checkbox. For example, at the beginning. Go to the Developer tab, and in the Controls section we select the checkbox. And as you can see, a clickable checkbox has been added. To move between the checkbox field and the text, use the left and right arrows. I move the cursor to the right with the right arrow and the checkbox field becomes inactive and we can work with the text. To avoid using the Developers tab every time, we can copy the checkbox. Select the checkbox with the left mouse button and then highlight it by clicking on these three dots. Next, copy and paste it anywhere. If you work with tables, then such a checkbox can be easily inserted into any cell of the table. And just like the regular text, the checkbox can be edited. We can align the checkboxes, change their color, make them bold, or even increase the size of the checkbox for better visibility. And that's it, now in Ultima.